Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a product review. Alright, so before I start talking about this, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And to all my new subscribers, thank you. And I do hope you enjoy my videos and my channel. So, this was sent to me from a company on Amazon, and it is ZSWLLHP store. I will put the link in my description box for this item. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out of the plastic. I already took it out of the Amazon box, but I want to take it out of the plastic. Okay, so let me pull y'all up a little higher. Alright, so what this is a A3 diamond painting storage book. Okay, now this is made out of polypropylene material, which makes it's firm. It's waterproof. It's supposed to be hard to cut or tear. The size on this is a 17 by 4 inch by 13.2 inches. So it is supposed to fit a 12 by 16 canvas, which in the diamond painting world, that is a 30 by 40. So we have got a very sturdy handle. There's two of them. We have got a snap here and a snap here, and they just come unsnapped. And it's kind of like a, oh, what would you call it? A one of those. Oh, I don't remember. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But it has, like, on the bottom here, you can take and it expands. I guess is what I'm trying to say. It expands. It is supposed to hold 180 canvases. Okay? The bottom stretches out to about 3 centimeters. And you just stick your, let me see if I've got, yeah. Okay, here's 30 by 40 or a 12 by 16 canvas that I just did an unboxing for. So you can put your 30 by 40 canvases in there and carry them. You can either put your finished products in here for storage, or if, say, you needed to go somewhere and you had a canvas you wanted to take, instead of rolling it all up and all that mess, you could just slip it in there just like this. Put your toolkit in here, put your drills in here. Let's see. Let me see. All right, I got a drill kit, or I've got where's the drills? You put your drills in here. You can put your tray in here. Put your pen in here. Any other accessories you need, you can just put it in here, and you can pack this sucker up and go. Now, that's if you wanted to use it for that. I think the main purpose of this is storage. So, like I said, once you get your canvases completed, you just throw them in there, and this is supposed to be sturdy enough to hold up to 180 canvases. That's what it says in the their info. And my fur babies just come running in here like nobody's business. So, like I said, you can get this on Amazon. And hold on just a second. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what I was even saying, sorry. Alright, so what do y'all think about this? This is $13.99 on Amazon. So I will leave the link to this in my description box. And leave me a comment and let me know what y'all think about this little storage system. I think it's pretty neat. You know, for $13.99, I think this would be really neat to travel with. I really do. So, all right, y'all. Like I said, I'll leave the link to this in my description box, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me for review to show to all of y'all. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.